Ray Hendrick. They call me Ray the Bluebird Guy, but you'll find out in a little bit why. This is a wonderful park we have here. See, but I heard every one of them. Very characteristic. They've all got different calls. They may all sound the same to you. You come down here in the morning. It's barn swallows. They're
and
back.
don't they scoop down to close to the ground?
Matter of fact, a lot of times
golf courses.
Golf courses. The mowers are going by and they're chasing up the insects.
Yeah.
And they're scooping them up. The Carolina chickadee. It's as red as that, and it's total. Red-bellied woodpecker, though, it only has a reddish belly in breeding season, and it's hard to see it, but it's red-bellied woodpecker.
Snowy woodpecker, the little guy.
Just can't have nothing but grass, a few trees, and a park bench. You can call it a park. And cowbirds, but the Indians called them buffalo birds. They move with the buffalo herds, and as they travel. Now, if you're following a buffalo, you don't have time, like the red-winged blackbird, build a nest. What the cowbird females would do, as the herds would go north from Texas up into the Dakotas, they would get pregnant eggs, but they would put their eggs in other birds' nests, and they would keep on going. The bird that they left their nest in would raise them. When the herd would come south, millions of buffalo, the cowbirds knew that they were not orioles or meadowlarks or whatever, joined up with mom and dad, and the flock went south. When the buffalo disappeared and the cows took over the Midwest, people called them cowbirds, but they did the same thing. Now they're east, and they're doing the same thing. They do deposit eggs in the bird's nest. It's still an interesting bird, cowbird. Male is jet black with a totally brown head. It's very characteristic. Female bluebird sitting on the nest right now.
Yeah.
She's like looking up at me. This is one of my favorite boxes. It does real well. It's wet, it's short, sitting right. I don't want to open it. Yellow throat. It's a very. They just came back. They were down south of the tropics.
I thought they were yellow.
Well, no. Well, goldfinches are yellow and black, but they don't have the. This is a bright. Like a lower mask, right across it. Native dogwoods with white. When you see white dogwood, native. Pink ones are interesting, but they're still good. Oh man, bobolinks, that's great. You can see what thrills me. Very unusual.